In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment plans. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a growing subscription service, getting your payment plan set up properly is crucial. So let's dive right in and get those subscription plans working for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to Stripe's website at stripe.com. Once you're there, the next step is to look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner. Give that a click and you'll be taken to the login page. Now, enter your registered email and password. If you haven't signed up yet, you will need to create an account before proceeding. After entering your credentials, hit the Sign In button once more to access the Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. From here, look for the Billing option on the menu. Clicking on Billing will take you further into the Subscriptions and Payment options on Stripe. Here, you should see the Subscriptions tab. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Subscriptions Management area. To create a new subscription, you'll need to select the option labeled Create Subscription. This is where you'll begin to set up your payment plan details. Start by entering either the customer's name or email address. This is essential because you need to know whom this subscription belongs to. After setting up the customer information, you'll want to specify the duration of the subscription. Consider whether this will be a monthly, yearly, or custom billing cycle. Each business model is different, so choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, it's time to add the product you wish to offer through the subscription. If you don't have any products set up yet, you'll need to create one first. Once your product has been added, set a price that reflects the value of the offering. Setting a competitive price is key, so be sure to factor in all your costs and consider market rates. After setting the price, decide on the starting date for billing. This could be the same day the subscription is created, or you might want to start billing on a specific date. Make sure this is aligned with the customer's expectations. Finally, choose the payment method the subscriber will use. Stripe allows for various methods, so pick the one that suits both your business and your customers best. Once everything looks good, review all the details, and then it's time for the last step, clicking Create to officially set up your plan. Congratulations, you've successfully configured a payment plan on Stripe. So there you have it. Setting up Stripe payment plans is streamlined, making it easy to manage and scale as your business grows. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.